Welcome to Best Choice. The best Clorox wipes is probably one of the most essential items for any parent preparing their child for the school year, offering a quick and effective way to disinfect surfaces and keep germs at bay in classrooms, lunchboxes, and on desks, ensuring a healthier learning environment for everyone involved. Number 5. Clorox Disinfecting Wipes, Crisp Lemon. Introducing Clorox Disinfecting Wipes in a refreshing crisp lemon scent. Tackle messes with ease and leave your surfaces sparkling clean. Enjoy a powerful clean without the harshness of bleach. Our formula is safe for use on various surfaces around your home. This convenient flex pack ensures you always have cleaning power on hand. Perfect for quick cleanups anytime, anywhere. Each pack contains 75 disinfecting wipes, providing ample supply for all your cleaning needs. Keep your home fresh and hygienic. Experience the invigorating scent of crisp lemon as you clean. It leaves behind a pleasant aroma, making your home feel even more welcoming. Make cleaning a breeze with these versatile disinfecting wipes. They are your reliable partner for maintaining a clean and healthy living space. What we like. This option offers a bleach-free formula, perfect for everyday messes without harsh chemicals. Its crisp lemon scent leaves a refreshing aroma. If you're looking for a convenient, family-friendly wipe for general cleaning around the house, this flex pack is a great choice. What people say. Great for quick cleanups and disinfecting surfaces. The wipes are durable and don't tear easily, making them effective for scrubbing. They leave a fresh scent and are convenient for use on various surfaces like desks and doorknobs. Number 4. Clorox Disinfecting Cleaning Wipes, Fresh Scent. Introducing Clorox Disinfecting Cleaning Wipes. They offer a powerful clean with a refreshing scent to brighten your home. Our bleach-free formula makes them safe for use on various surfaces. You can trust them for everyday messes. These wipes are incredibly convenient for quick cleanups. Just pull one out and wipe away dirt and grime. They effectively disinfect surfaces, killing germs while also tackling tough messes. Keep your home healthy and clean. Enjoy the fresh scent that leaves your home smelling pleasant after cleaning. It's a simple way to maintain a fresh environment. Please note that the pack design may vary. Regardless, you'll receive the same great cleaning power you expect. What we like. Enjoy a clean scent with this bleach-free formula, ideal for quick cleanups. The compact count makes it easy to store in various locations. If you need a reliable wipe for smaller spaces or for on-the-go sanitizing, this is the one for you. What people say. These wipes are great for quick cleanups and disinfecting surfaces. They are convenient to use and leave surfaces smelling fresh. The container is easy to open and close, making them ideal for on-the-go use. Number 3. Clorox Scentiva Disinfecting Wipes. Discover the refreshing scent of coconut and water lily with these disinfecting wipes. They offer a powerful clean you can trust. These wipes effectively eliminate 99.9% of viruses and bacteria. Keep your home healthy and protected. Enjoy the delightful tropical scent that leaves your surfaces smelling amazing. It's disinfection that feels like a breath of fresh air. Each pack contains 75 wipes, providing ample cleaning power for all your needs. Simply pull one out and wipe away messes and germs. This convenient pack of 3 ensures you're always stocked up. Get great value and a sparkling clean home. Trust in the Clorox Scentiva line for a clean that not only disinfects but also delights your senses. Experience a new level of clean. What we like. Experience a delightful scent with this unique formula, offering effective disinfection. The coconut and water lily fragrance provides a pleasant cleaning experience. If you appreciate a more sophisticated scent while still getting a powerful clean, and want to stock up, this multi-pack is an excellent pick. What people say. Great for cleaning and disinfecting surfaces quickly and effectively. The wipes are durable and don't easily tear, making them ideal for everyday use. They leave a fresh scent without being overpowering. Number 2. Clorox Healthcare Bleach Germicidal Wipes. Introducing Clorox Healthcare Bleach Germicidal Wipes. These wipes offer powerful disinfection for your healthcare environment. Formulated with bleach, they are effective against a wide range of germs. Ensure a cleaner, safer space with every use. Each canister contains 150 wipes, conveniently sized at 6x5. They are ready to use whenever you need them. Trust in the quality and reliability of Clorox healthcare products. Maintain high standards of cleanliness and infection control. Designed specifically for healthcare settings, these germicidal wipes help protect patients and staff. They are an essential part of your infection prevention strategy. What we like. This is a powerful germicidal wipe designed for serious disinfection. Its bleach-based formula ensures maximum germ-killing power. If you need a heavy-duty solution for critical areas or are concerned about tough pathogens, this healthcare-grade option is the most suitable. What people say. These wipes are great for quick cleanups and disinfecting surfaces. They are convenient to use and leave surfaces smelling fresh. The wipes are durable and don't tear easily, making them effective for scrubbing. Number 1. Clorox Disinfecting Cleaning Wipes Variety Pack. Introducing the Clorox Disinfecting Cleaning Wipes Variety Pack. This pack offers a convenient way to keep your home clean and germ-free. These all-purpose wipes are perfect for tackling everyday messes around your house. They provide a powerful clean on various surfaces. Keep your family safe by eliminating harmful germs. These wipes are designed to kill bacteria and viruses on contact. Use them throughout your home for quick and easy cleaning. They are designed for single use to ensure maximum hygiene. Enjoy a powerful clean without the harshness of bleach. Our formula is effective yet gentle for your peace of mind. This value pack ensures you always have these essential cleaning wipes on hand. Keep your home sparkling and healthy with this convenient multi-pack. What we like. Get a taste of different cleaning experiences with this variety pack. It includes multiple scents to suit your preferences. If you like having options and want to try different fragrances while ensuring your home is clean, this pack offers great versatility and value. What people say. These wipes are great for quick cleanups and disinfecting surfaces. They are effective at removing dirt and grime, leaving surfaces clean. The convenient packaging makes them easy to use on the go. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.